I want to call on the well-meaning Igbo people. Please, Igbo people, if anybody will advise you to go to the street because of this Ibrahim Babangida 1966 coup that led to the killing of more than 5 million people in Igbo land, do not go to the street because they are waiting for you. And I also want to tell every winning Nigerian that you should not go to the streets. What the Igbos need is only Biafra. It's not protest. If you protest, they will kill you. This is the key they are using to deal with Igbo people. Let us leave Ibrahim Babangida and come back to the one that is happening right now. As I'm talking to you, Idumota in Lagos, Onitsha, Head Bridge, these two places, everybody will bear me witness. Mojisola Adeyeye, I will not put professor, because if he's a reasonable professor, he will not go sacking the Igbos. Yes, she is coming with the intent of claiming to be fighting against illicit and counterfeit drugs, to use it against the Igbos. I am quoting you vehemently. Why did I say it? Why is using counterfeit drugs to deal with the Igbo people, to bring their businesses down, is because of the hate for Igbos. Igbos, are they the only people that consume illicit drug? No. Go to Kano, go to Kaduna, go to the north. They are the people that are consuming the highest hard drugs, but nothing is done. They use this to deal with Igbos in one time. They are breaking down the Igbo shops in the Igbo shops in Igbo land, in Onitsha. Everybody will bear me witness. The same time they are breaking the shops in Idumota, Lagos. Idumota, Lagos, the medicine shops in Idumota, Lagos, carrying registered drugs from people. These are Adeyeye Mojisola is among the instruments that is dealing with Igbo people. You fight for counterfeit drugs from the head, not from the market. Yes, you know them. If you don't know them, you are lying. You know them. You know them. This is one of the instruments they are using to deal with Igbo people. I am talking of Adeyeye. Mojisola Adeyeye, the DG man, the NAFDAC Director General. If it's not like that, have you not heard that the people you have escorted to Idumota is carrying people's drug? Yes, carrying people's drug that is registered they bought with their money. 11 million, 10 million, 100 million people are crying. Who are those people crying? Is it not Igbo people? This is an instrument. Quote me vehemently and everybody will understand what I'm saying. Adeyeye is an instrument that is used to deal with Igbo people. I am not against you fighting illicit drug, but I'm against you fighting the Igbos by carrying their registered drugs. If a registered company did not renew their registration, what do? You go and close the company or find them. Not going inside the market. The market they sold when they have everything intact, their registration intact. You go to the market to start carrying it when you said they have not renewed their license. Is it the obligations and the duty of the people who bought the goods to register to go and update their registration? This is an impunity and wickedness. Let us come to Ibrahim Babangida. He said it's not an Igbo coup. What led to the killing of over 5 million Biafrans that were subjected to untimely death, kwashiorkor, and so many diseases? Nigerian government then, as of then, 1966, hijacked everything that is coming to Igbos because of food. Children got sick of kwashiorkor. They died en masse. And somebody will come out and tell you, you should come to the street to protest for the killing of Igbos. We are not protesting. The Igbos are not protesting. The well-meaning Nigerians can never come to the street and protest because we are still living in the wicked government. If you come out, they will finish all of you. Thank God that Igbo people have learned in a hard way, not to come out in the street again to protest. Rather now, they are doing it in the way they can be able to do it. Don't ever come to the street. They will finish you. The wickedness that started right from time 1966 is still invoked till today. If it's not invoked, the DG Director General can never, Mojisola Adeyeye, can never come out and bring people to be carrying the Igbo goose. How many Yoruba people are in the medicine sector? How many of them? How many Yoruba people are in Idumota and in Igbo land? How many of them? That is the instrument to use against the Igbos. If it's not, you will not be going to carry the medicine that was sold long ago to people that bought it. You go and carry it. It's an instrument to suppress the Igbos. And Igbos should listen very well. You should pay attention very well to what is going on. Go to your land and build and make your land better. Do not go to a crowded place. The same thing is happening in trade fair, Lagos State. The same in the spare parts market in Lagos State. The same thing that happened at Ibejuleki or Darabad Lekki area. Igbo people houses are destroyed in Lagos. These houses are the houses that they obtain permit. That people that are in charge of development collected fees. They will not tell us that these houses are not registered, and after they will go and demolish it because it's an Igbo house. Is it not? If I am wrong, quote me wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4. They are on drainage system in different places. Other houses that are not Igbos are around. You don't destroy them from the beginning. You destroy all of them because they are Igbos. All this shenanigans and wickedness will stop in Nigeria. Until we stand to stop this nonsense, it will not stop. Igbos, listen, hear it. Go and develop your land. Although Igbo people are developed, they are developing their land, but they feel like they will invest in other places. Without Igbo, Yoruba land is zero. Without Igbo, the Lagos you are hearing is a football ground. My name is Ambassador 𝐍𝐀𝐅𝐃𝐀 𝐃𝐆. If you don't know my name, copy it. I am not here. I'm not answering a guy name. This is my name. Hear it. I'm a prophet. I will not hesitate to tell you the truth. It is only the truth that can save you, that can set you free. Yes. If you are not fighting Igbos, we would have had over the internet, we would have had over the tabloid that those officers you send to go and carry Igbo people's drugs that are registered in Idumota in different places are put to book. If you are not against the Igbos, you should frown at it. We should see that you frown at it. Adeye, I am speaking to you directly. You are not the woman. You are equal to a mother. I speak to you directly. If you are not the one that sent them to go and be carrying people's registered drug inside the market, we should have heard over the internet that, over the news, over the tabloid, because you have access to it, that those people who went to do that illicit job has been put to book, and we will hear their names. God bless all of you. Keep following me on this channel. Here is where we declare the truth and nothing but the truth. The Bible says that we shall know the truth and the truth shall set you free. No matter how you people hook Nigeria, no matter how you people somersault Nigeria, no matter how you people dip Nigeria into chemical to dissolve, Nigeria will not dissolve. It will not dissolve. It can never dissolve. God bless all of you.